It takes more than half a lifetime to realize this. These 24 cooking tips are your best. You must remember this carefully once you have it done. Make pork fat. Remember to add soybeans and star anise. Both removes the fishy smell and enhances the aroma. Moreover, can be stored for a long time without becoming rancid. When cooking fish, remember to add plenty of ginger to the pot. It not only eliminates fishy odors, but also enhances the aroma. Stir-fried fish with chicken. Remember to add plenty of garlic for flavor. Rich chicken flavor. Even after eating, you'll still want more. Remember to wait for the steamed fish to cook. Once it's boiling, add the fish to enhance the meaty flavor. The fish is stimulated. Immediately steam the fish. Fresh, tender, and sweet. Last year I made catfish. Soaking fish in salt water not only removes the fishy smell. When fried, it's crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. 6 boiled shrimp are a must. Added in starting from cold water. Shrimp meat will be firmer and tastier than boiled corn. Remember to add a little salt to the pot. Corn eaten will be softer, more tender, and sweeter than corn soaked in snow fungus. Adding a spoonful of tapioca starch before cooking will make it easier to release the syrup. 9 bone broths. Remember to add plenty of vinegar. The meat and bones will be easy to separate. The meat is tender and very delicious. Remember to add beer to the meat so it's tender, flavorful, and absorbs the taste. The flavor is more than just a light touch, it melts in your mouth. 11. Cook rice. Add a little oil. Sesame rice, soft, fragrant, sweet. Each grain separates. 12. Boil lotus root. Remember to boil it while boiling. Add white vinegar. Lotus root will not turn black. It will be crispy, sweet, and refreshing. 13. Pork stews. Remember to add plenty of star anise and a little dried orange peel. The meat is more flavorful and aromatic than 14. Stir-fry tofu. Add plenty of onions. The leaves enhance the natural richness and aroma, even tastier than meat. 15. Kneads of dough for the dumpling wrappers. Remember to add eggs to the pastry crust. The leather doesn't tear easily when boiled. 16. When boiling, remember to add 1 spoonful of noodles beforehand. Cooking oil in the noodle pot prevents the noodles from sticking. Soft and chewy noodles, delicious. 17. Stir-fried beef marinated in tapioca starch with beer for 10 minutes, then stir-fry the meat until tender, smooth, and delicious. 18. Stir-fried pork liver soaked in water. The sugar is stir-fried until cooked through, about 7 times. 10% is lifting out the liver, soft skin and not dry. Stir-fried potatoes. Western-style stir-fried potatoes with lots of chili. Crispy skin, delicious, not soggy. 20. Steamed buns. Remember to add a little vinegar to the batter for the cake. Skin whitening treatment that doesn't cause yellowing. 21. Boiled kohlrabi. Remember to add it to the cold water first. Delicious and not mushy. 22. Stir-fried tofu. Remember to soak it in salt water for 3 minutes. Keep the bean shape. No matter how you stir-fry it, it won't break apart. 20. Flavors. When boiling eggs, remember to add a little vinegar to the water. Eggs that don't break taste even better. 24. Grilled dishes that weren't tasty. It's because the seasoning wasn't half an onion. Half of the apple plus half of. Add a spoonful of dill, white sesame seeds, chili powder, salt, and seasoning powder, and put all the sugar into the blender. Add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and half a tablespoon of oyster sauce. Cover with lid. Blend until smooth. Blend until the meat is finely ground. Slice the pork belly and add 2 tablespoons of sauce. Mix well and marinate for half an hour. Add oil to the pan and chop the meat. Butt points to the pan and fries until it sizzles. Once you've eaten this, you'll definitely not want to go out for grilled food again. I've shared all the secrets, but they don't even bother to follow me. I'm not going to say anything more.